Hello traders and investors. I am Harish, SEBI registered research analyst. As a follower of the channel, kindly read and understand the following disclaimers. Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. Registration granted by SEBI and certification from NISM and enlistment in RAASB in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of return to the investors. I myself and or any related person and or associated person have no association in any manner with the recommended company and do not hold any financial interest, actual beneficial ownership of the shares, and not having any material conflict of interest in the recommended stock and the company. Market risk refers to either partial or permanent loss of your investment or portfolio in certain adverse condition or company events. Past performance is not indicative of future results. I do not offer any return guarantee. All content in this channel is for educational purpose only. For more details on our premium services, kindly contact us at 763 999 3695. Hello traders and investors. In this video, we are going to see how we can use our momentum investing indicator to identify which sectors are in momentum and which sectors we have to avoid. In this indicator, we have a momentum triangle. Whenever we see a triangle after a pause, some candles which is not having the triangle means the market is not in momentum, that particular asset is not in momentum, or that particular index is not in momentum. After a few months pass, we are in monthly time frame. After a few months pass, whenever we get a fresh triangle, we can focus that sector is getting momentum, so that we can focus on that sector. This is a stock. For every stock, the fundamental is also represented as a ribbon here. But for index, we don't have any fundamentals. We will just see this cloud for trend and momentum for the trending sectors. So now we are going to indices, and in these indices we are now seeing indices one by one. The chart time frame is monthly. We are clicking on metals. See here, in metals we are getting a momentum. See, after this pause, this 7 to 8 months of non-momentum period, we got a fresh momentum here. This month is July 2025. From there you can see that metal stocks has started its rally. Okay, previously it was in rally in 2023 and 24. Again after 2024 there is a pullback, then it gained rally after July 2025. Okay, so a fresh momentum we are seeing here. Once the high is broken, we can confirm that this particular index is in momentum. Likewise, see in energy, here is a momentum and it broke here in the month of February 2026. There is a breakout in momentum of the energy index, so we can focus on energy stocks from February, but there is a small pullback because of the war situation. There is a small pullback, but still the momentum is present. So if stock specific, if we get momentum in daily time frame or monthly time frame in a particular stock, we can focus on that stock. All the stocks and indices shown here is for illustration only, not recommendation. Don't take any trade based on this. Okay, see here in commodity index we got a resting period here. After that we got the momentum started at September 2025. Now see, it is still in momentum. Now the present month the momentum is lost. You can see there is no triangle in the present month, so we can take a pause here. We can stop investing in commodities until we get the momentum again. No, digital, there is no momentum, so we can straight away avoid the Nifty digital index, the stock constituents in the Nifty digital index. How to see whichever stock is listed in this digital index, I will show you. Nifty capital market, there is no momentum. Nifty multinational corporations has gained the momentum and still in momentum. Defense has gained momentum in the past 2 to 3 months. FMCG, there is no momentum. See, so straight away avoid FMCG. We will say that FMCG is a evergreen sector, but still there is no clear momentum. The price is also below the cloud and there is no continuous momentum, so we can avoid FMCG. Automobile sector is in momentum, but we got a fall due to the war situation. Again it is gaining momentum. If this high break and rallies, there will be momentum in auto sector. Manufacturing sector is also in momentum. IT sector, you can clearly see there is no momentum. This is monthly time frame. In the previous 3, 5, 6 months, there is no clear momentum. Pharma, it is in clear momentum. It has recently break out its high. See here, last month only pharma broke out of its momentum high. So we can focus on the pharma index as of now. CPSE momentum is losing. Consumption momentum is losing. Media, it is below the cloud, so there is no momentum. Nifty Healthcare also, previous month it has broke the fresh momentum. So Nifty Healthcare and Pharma, and it is also in the all-time high, Nifty Healthcare. So these two indexes are presently in good momentum. Infra, there is a sideways movement and a momentum loss in the current month. PSU, there is no momentum. Public sector enterprise also losing momentum current month. CNX Realty also losing momentum. Service sector, there is no momentum. Private banks, it is gaining momentum in the present month, that is this June month, it is gaining momentum. We have to wait for the close of this candle. Once the momentum is present and high is broken, we can focus on the Nifty private banks. India tourism, there is no momentum. CNX Finax, there is no momentum, and consumer durables, there is no momentum. So in this, freshly there is a momentum happening in Nifty private bank, which we have to confirm only after the close of this month. This is a monthly candle, so June month has to close, and if it is closing positively and we have the momentum triangle and the high of this candle broke, we can focus on the Nifty private bank constituent stocks. Okay, likewise we saw Nifty Pharma and Nifty Healthcare is gaining momentum in the recent past and in the present condition. So how to see the sectors? These are the sectors. How to see the sectors? You can go to the niftyindices.com website. Go to the niftyindices.com website. Go to indices. In this you can see the sectoral indices. Upon this sectoral indices, whatever is available in trading view, I have shown you. Okay, in this you can see Nifty Pharma and Nifty Healthcare. So go to Nifty Pharma. In this Nifty Pharma, you can see fact sheet and index constituents. If you click the index constituents, you will get a CSV file downloaded. In this you can see the entire list of stocks which is available in Nifty Pharma. And if you want to focus on the top stocks only, go to fact sheet, click on the fact sheet, you will get this PDF file. In this fact sheet you can see top 10 companies in Nifty Pharma. Okay, you can focus on these companies: Sun Pharma, Divis Laboratory, Dr. Reddy's, Cipla, Lupin, Laurus Lab, Torrent Pharma, Auro Pharma, Glenmark and Alchem. Okay, these are the top 10 constituents of the Nifty Pharma. Similarly, you can go to Nifty Healthcare. See here in indices, sectoral indices, you can go to click on Nifty Healthcare. So in this, if you click on index constituents, you get a CSV file with all the constituents. If you are focusing on top 10 stocks only, you click on the fact sheet and go to the PDF file. See here, you can get a top 10 stocks by weightage in the Nifty Healthcare Index. Now what I have done is, I have added these stocks which are in Nifty Pharma and Healthcare to a watch list. Okay, so now let us see in monthly time frame which of these stocks are in momentum. Okay, so I am clicking here. See in About India, there is fundamental and a fresh momentum is happening. The high is not yet broken, but there is a fundamental condition, that is earnings acceleration is happening and fresh momentum is happening. Once it high broke, we have to check all other fundamentals and then you have to plan your entries. This is not a recommendation, just I am showing you how, as per momentum investing, you can analyze the sector, whichever sector is in momentum, and then you can focus on the top 10 stocks and check on monthly time frame whichever stock is in momentum, and then based on that watch list you can time your entries. Janta Pharma, it is also in momentum. See, it has gained momentum 5-6 months ago itself. Alchem, it is also in momentum. So since the index is in momentum, you can see the stocks are moving positively. Even though the Nifty is correcting, all other sectors are sideways, large cap stocks are not performing, particular sector is performing. That is the crux of the momentum investing. In momentum investing, we are focusing on the change to only. Whenever the stock or the sector is moving in the bullish direction only, we will be in that counter. So here what we have done a top down approach. We have checked the sectors in the Nifty indices website. Initially we check the sectors in trading view, whichever is in momentum in monthly time frame. We shortlisted the fresh sectors which are gaining momentum, and then we have gone to Nifty indices. There we selected the what are the stocks listed in that particular sector and created a watch list. In that we are again checking whichever stock is in momentum. Some stocks may not be in momentum in monthly time frame also. See here Auro Pharma, it has gained a momentum 7-8 months ago and it has rallied. So in this way, combining the sector momentum and the stock momentum, we will be only in the bullish stocks in a trending condition. So the holding period and sideways movement will be easily avoided. See Cipla, we got a fresh momentum. The high should have to break, but there is no fundamental. See here, the fundamental even is not present here, means earnings is not as per acceleration. It is not accelerating or improving. It is decreasing from the previous 3 months quarter. So we should avoid this entry because fundamentals, basically earnings is not there. Only when the momentum condition is present and earnings condition is present, we will go for a deep research on that particular stock. Divis Lab, see, 2 months ago there is a momentum, fresh momentum, fundamental is also there. It has broken, give a movement and it is still in momentum. Okay, so similarly you can check. Due to the length of the video, I am stopping here. In this video, what we have seen is using our momentum investing method. We have first selected whichever sector is in momentum, which is in fresh momentum, that is in current month or 1 or 2 months ago a fresh momentum has created, that is pharma and healthcare sector. And then we have gone to Nifty indices site and find out the top 10 stocks from pharma and healthcare. We have added it as a watch list in trading view, and in this we are checking whether there is any fresh entry coming which is combining the momentum as well as the fundamental condition. Once this condition is coming, we have to go to a deep research on that stock. We have to do a deep research, complete fundamental study we have to do, and then we have to time our entry. So this is, again I am telling, this is for illustration purpose only, not recommendatory. So please don't take any trading decision based on this video. This is not an advice. This is entirely for educational purpose only. To learn more about momentum and value investing, we are providing courses with a custom indicator. In value investing, we are providing an indicator to time the market bottom. In momentum investing, we are providing an indicator to time the market trend rally. So use that to your advantage. If you want more details about these courses, kindly contact the given number. We are providing demo. All the courses we are providing the indicator demo for 5 working days. You can check it, back test it, live test it, and then once you are satisfied, you can join the course. Thank you. Let's have a glance about our courses. We are providing 3 courses. First one, value investing. Second one, momentum investing. And third one, momentum intraday, which is usable in 1 minute and 5 minute time frame. In value investing course, we are focusing on large cap stocks, identifying the market bottom and confirming the fundamentals, and then taking entry and booking it at a fixed target or trailing it for a longer target. In the momentum investing course, we will identify the momentum stocks in monthly time frame based on these triangles, and we can take entry in daily time frame as well as monthly time frame. In daily time frame, we will take swing entries, and in monthly time frame, we will take positional entries, which will go up to 1 year to 1.5 years. Thirdly, in intraday, this is only specifically for stocks. This cannot be used for any other asset class. Here, in 1 minute time frame and in 5 minute time frame, we focus on better risk reward. In both the time frames, the stop loss is only one single candle. Based on the single candle entry, we will trial the target and we try to maximize the risk reward. We focus on minimum risk reward of 1:3 ratio in stocks. We are providing 1 week free demo for all our course and related indicators, which is created on TradingView. You can get the access for the indicator for 1 week and a basic entry exit rules for the courses in a video format. You can backtest it, live test it. Once you gain the confidence about our courses, you can join the courses. For more details on trial and full access of our indicator and courses and other premium services, kindly contact us at this number. They will do the needful.